Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Welcome back to our channel where we are all about healthy living and delicious recipes. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We will be saying goodbye to pre-made spice mix loaded with sodium, which can be harmful to our health, particularly for those with high blood pressure. Instead, we will explore some homemade spice mix alternatives that are both flavorful and good for you. Let's get started explaining the dangers of sodium in pre-made spice mixes. Before we dive into creating our own spice mixes, let's understand why we should avoid pre-made mixes that are high in sodium. High sodium intake can lead to various health issues, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. Many store-bought spice mixes contain excessive amounts of sodium, which can negatively impact our health over time. Showcasing ingredients for homemade spice mixes. The good news is that making your own spice mixes is not only easy but also allow you to control the amount of sodium you consume. Let's take a look at some of the key ingredients we will be using today. We have a variety of flavorful herbs and spices like garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, paprika, oregano, and many more. This will add a depth and complexity to our homemade spice blends, demonstrating the process of making a low-sodium all-purpose spice mix. Now let's create a simple all-purpose spice mix that you can use in various dishes. Here is what you will need. 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon ground cumin. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them thoroughly until well blended. And voila, you now have a homemade low-sodium all-purpose spice mix that's ready to be used in your cooking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.